The company was started in 1951. The first product the company made was a hospital patient tray. Beginning in 1951 until 2024 is about 73 years. And we've gone from one product to about 17,000 products. Customers are key. No customer, no company. So, I mean, they have to be at the top of the way you think about how you go to market. We have to provide perfect quality and perfect service to our customers. Anything less than that just isn't good enough.
Cambro's been a brand for over 70 years, and in those 70 years, we've become incredibly entrenched in the food service market. So much so that people refer to numerous products that we manufacture just as Cambros. Go grab the Cambro. I need more Cambros. And that can encompass anything from a food storage container to an insulated transport box. And they depend on their Cambros on a day in and day out basis in order to operate their business.
I think the brand of Cambro is very special. It's amazing to see how many people know the Cambro product line and the Cambro brand. You can't go into a food service establishment almost worldwide. When you say Cambro, they think of something. They might think of a tray, they might think of a catering product. And it's not just the product quality, it's the innovation, it's the dependability, it's the reliability. That all goes into the Cambro brand.
The tagline, trusted durability, kind of speaks for itself. We want to be here for the long haul. If you're not making something as durable, you're not going to make it. And our team plays a key role in that, scheduling products that will get us there and have the sustainability that we're looking for, and the durability that helps put products out there that are going to sustain themselves long term. So we're just always constantly looking for the next new thing, creating that in-house. What does our customer need? And satisfying those needs.
Cambro is vertically integrated from an international standpoint, our focus being to manufacture the product close to where it's being used. So that's really fueled our international expansion with factories and distribution facilities in Turkey, Germany, Bulgaria, and China, as well as a joint venture in India. What that really allows us to do is get the product to the customer that's using it quickly and efficiently.
When you're talking about these global customers with ever-reaching footprints, the fact that I can not only deliver to their 5,000 units that are based in the States, but we can deliver that exact same quality and that exact same product to them anywhere across the globe.
We do understand the importance of recognizing and respecting cultural differences in customer expectations around the globe. It can be anything from changing communication styles with them to ensure we deliver exceptional service to our customers that resonates with the culture that we serve.
People is what makes a company happen. Without the people, you don't have a company. We have fantastic people at Cambro worldwide. They're all passionate about the task. They all want to make Cambro successful. They all buy into the idea of perfect quality and perfect service, a safe work environment. And so people are what it's all about. Without the people, the company doesn't exist. And people are actually the most gratifying part of my job.
What I like the most at Cambro is the culture. It's like a family. There's a lot of open communication. There is a strong sense of belonging and camaraderie. And for me, it's not only a place of work. It's a community of like-minded people working together towards the same goal, where everyone is respected, valued, and cared for.
The family environment within Cambro has been my family. And it's been my family for 44 years. It's going to be my family well into the future. I just am really honored and privileged to be a member of that family.
We try to make a high quality product, and we do it as efficiently as we possibly can. So everywhere we look, we try to be efficient and cost conscious. We try not to waste. So if we can find a technology that'll make the product better, easier, faster, cheaper, we're all about that. The future for Cambro is brighter than ever. We have the best products in the industry. We have the best service. We have the best people. So there's no reason we can't continue to grow and grow and grow. And so in my opinion, I think Cambro's the place to be.